Today is an important moment for the Jasmy coin price because in this quick and short update video, we'll be talking about the recent price action and what I have recently realized for the Jasmy coin price about a couple of hours ago. So you'll be hearing all of that in this video. So without wasting any more of your time, let's begin by starting off inside the daily time frame shorts, and then later on in the video, we'll move to the longer time frames to discuss my long-term outlook and what we could expect next for the Jasmy coin price. So here we are inside the daily time frame shorts, and yes, for the past couple of weeks, the Jasmy coin price has been in this downtrend, in this pullback, and we have now retraced back down to a key support zone right here. And the great news is right now we are seeing Jasmy coin successfully bounce off of this exact level, and now we're moving towards the upside. But there is one thing that many people are not realizing right now, and that is that in the next couple of days, we could expect a big move for the Jasmy coin price. Now, why do I say so? Because if you take a closer look into the charts in the daily time frame charts, you can see that right now, the Jasmy coin price is being constantly rejected by this resistance trend line, and right now we are respecting this support zone right here. And what do you observe? The Jasmy coin price is being squeezed between these two important levels of support and resistance, and eventually a breakout is set to happen. We cannot avoid that, and a breakout is eventually going to happen. Eventually the Jasmy coin price would have to make a decision on which way it is headed to, either towards the upside or towards the downside. That is why I am making this quick video to inform you guys about the potential breakout targets for the Jasmy coin price. So if you do see Jasmy coin successfully break above this resistance trend line and flip it to support, that would be bullish for Jasmy coin, and we could expect with a high likelihood another continuation of the pump towards the upside to this target right here at 0.031 cents, which from the price we're at right now, that is going to be about a 28% pump towards the upside. However, if we do see Jasmy coin lose this support zone right here and break below it, that could end up pretty badly for the Jasmy coin price in the next couple of days, and we could expect the continuation of this bearish move towards the downside towards this next support zone at around 0.0167 cents, which from the price we're at right now, that is going to be about a 30% dump towards the downside. That is why I'm saying take a look and don't keep your eyes off the charts, because right now the Jasmy coin price is at a critical or an important moment. We are at a very important moment, and at some point eventually the Jasmy coin price would have to make a decision on which way it wants to break out of, because we cannot avoid this breakout we're going to have right here. Eventually we're going to be having a breakout either above this resistance trend line or below this support zone, and either of those two or either of those breakouts could heavily affect the price action in the near future. So look out for the respective targets. If you do see a break above the trend line or below the support zone, you know the respective targets. And yeah, now let's talk about the longer time frame and discuss my long-term outlook. So at the moment right now, the crypto market still looks bearish. Everything is still collapsing down, and there is still no signs of reversal. But what we can observe right now in the charts is that many coins, such as Jasmy coin right now, have successfully retraced down to a key level of support right here. This was the previous swing high, and now we have retraced back down to it. And from a technical standpoint, the bulls are in control of this level, and there is a high probability that we could expect a bounce off of this level. And if that happens, that would be bullish for the Jasmy coin price, because we would maintain the overall bullish structure right here by constantly putting in higher highs and higher lows. So yeah, right now there is nothing in the longer time frames that worries me, because we are still intact in terms of the structure. The structure is still bullish because, again, we have still consecutively formed higher lows and higher highs right here. So nothing is concerning me. The only moment I would be concerned is if you do see Jasmy coin lose the recent swing low right here and break below that, because once you do that, that is the formation of a bearish pattern or the bearish structure, and we would be breaking the bullish structure. That is why it's going to be very important that we stay above the recent swing low right here to maintain bullishness. Now, if you're wondering about my long-term targets for Jasmy coin, well, we are targeting a 0.5 cents Jasmy coin to $1 Jasmy coin in this bull cycle, and that will place Jasmy coin at around a $15 billion market cap to $25 billion market cap, which is about a 7x to 14x return on investment for the price we're at right now. So overall, I believe that in the next couple of months, we could see a swift recovery for many altcoins and for Bitcoin, because I believe that right now Bitcoin is still far from the top. I still think Bitcoin is at the middle of its cycle right now. Obviously, I could be wrong, but take a look at the charts I have for Bitcoin in the long term. Here it is. So as you guys can see, we are targeting a 150k Bitcoin for this cycle, and we are still 50% on the way towards that target. And I believe that there's more room for growth to come for Bitcoin, and that will lead to a more bullish price action for altcoins in the next couple of months if we do ever see a recovery right here. So obviously I could be wrong, but my expectation right now is that this is just a shakeout, and after this dip, like we had in history, we had multiple dips towards the downside, but after that we had a nice recovery and a nice pump towards the upside. Right here, I just see this dip as a temporary occurrence, and I just see this as another shakeout before the next leg towards the upside, and that is why I'm still holding strong towards my altcoins and to my high conviction altcoin plays, and I'm not selling right now. But I could be wrong, but my prediction, my expectation is that right now we are still 50% complete on this cycle for crypto, and I still think that there is more room for growth to come because of this chart right here. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a community or a group of like-minded individuals who are seeking success in this market, be sure to join my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you are not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.